Hey, hi guys, welcome to a brand new video in Commvault series, and here we are watching Backup Baba. So today in this video you are going to learn how to configure software cache in Commvault software. So before moving to the console, let's understand what is software cache. So basically the software cache is a directory where the Commvault keeps its binaries, that is the software, and which is used to perform the installation and upgradation of any client or media agent. So the console, and where I will show you like how to configure the software cache. So this is the CommCell console, as you know. So in this here, you need to go to the tool tab. Under that there is an option that is called copy software. So you have to click in copy software, and here it is asking for the software location, like where you have dumped the software, from where it will copy the software. So I have downloaded the software in the E drive. So let's give the path of E drive. So here I am giving the path, like from where I have kept the Commvault software, and after like giving the path you have to click OK. So once you click OK, a new job will trigger. So here you can see the job description is showing like the software copy software. So it will take 2 or 3 minutes to complete the copy process. So meanwhile, let me show you like where the software is trying to copy copy from the directory. So here, if you go into software cache configuration, you can see like this is the default directory where the software are going to copy with that job. So as you can see, the job percentage is running like 47% completed. So once the job will get completed, then after you are able to push the software from this console only. So this is the basic functionality of the software cache. Yeah, so now you can see like the copy job operation has been completed and it is showing 100% completed. So now you need to click OK. Once the software cache job completed, you need to go to the tool, add software, and click on software cache configuration. So here you can see once you click on the cache details, it is showing like the software 11.30 has been copied successfully. So once it got copied, you need to click on commit cache to commit the cache. So it is saying like cache operation was successful. Now click OK. So now let's move to this folder to see where the software is copied or not. So here, yeah, so here you can see like SP30. If you go in the version pack, it is showing like service pack 30 has been copied. So this is the cache is holding the main software, uh, and once you do the any installation to other third-party servers or any laptop, that particular software will get pushed from this path. So I hope you have liked this video, and you have learned how to configure the software cache configuration. Thank you so much for watching my YouTube channel, that is Backup Baba. Please subscribe and like our channel, and if you have any queries, please feel free to drop your questions in the comment box. I will be very happy to answer your questions.